See, with the way things are going this year, if you're not looking for how to make extra income for yourself as a woman, then you will be in very serious trouble. I mean, from groceries to bills, everything is going up. So if you're a woman and you are asking, how can I make extra cash this year? Then, my sister, this video is especially for you. Hello, you're welcome to Savvy Moms Finance. My name is Peace, and in this channel we talk all things about how you can make money as a woman. Yes, you can make your own money, you can have your own money. In fact, we talk about smart money moves, simple financial strategies, and how to build wealth confidently, one step at a time. So for today, we are diving straight into how you can make extra cash in this year 2025, even if you are starting from the scratch. The first thing is for you to use what you already have. See, you don't need to learn something new before you can start making money. Look around you. It could be your laptop, it could be your skill, it could be your voice. Do you know how to write? Something you already do can put more money in your hands. If you are so good at writing, have you tried content writing, ghost writing? Do you love talking? You can do what I'm doing right now on YouTube. You can even use voiceovers. The next thing you can do is to offer a simple service online. And I tell you, this one is special, it's unique. In fact, it's gold. People are so busy. I mean, so busy. You know, the world is a busy place. And they are willing to pay for every help they can get. Can you plan events? Can you make digital flyers? Can you help someone organize their schedule? Platforms like Upwork and WhatsApp are consistently looking for service providers. Next one is digital products. You know what I call this? I call it your passive income friend. See, if you have ever explained something to somebody and the person understood it quickly, then you should have a digital product you call your own. I mean, you can turn your knowledge into a mini course, into a guide. Yes, you can turn it, sell it, and make your money. People are selling simple PDFs, digital planners, and budgeting templates. And by the way, I have a habit tracker. If you are interested, let me know. It's not too expensive. Just reach out to me for more details. Just start small. Another thing to consider here is affiliate marketing. See, you don't need to have your own product. You basically promote other people's products. And when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can do this through platforms like Amazon. Next thing you can do is to turn social media into income. See, even if you have just 300 followers, you can make your own money. I'm not joking. There are platforms now that lets you monetize your knowledge. You can create short educational content or even lifestyle content. And over time, correct brands may notice you and may want to work with you. So what am I trying to say in essence? The point is this: you don't have to wait till everything is perfect. You just need to start with what you have, where you are. See, in this year, 2025, extra income is not just possible, but it is necessary. So let me know in the comments, which of these ideas will you be putting in first? Will you be trying first? Remember, I told you I have a digital product, I have a habit tracker, I have ebooks I sell, so you too can do likewise, just for you to make extra money online. Be that woman with an extra cash, women like to spend money. We like money a lot. I don't know, even me, I like money. So we got to make sure we have money to spend at any given time. And also let me know if you've tried any of these ideas before. How did it work out? Did it work out well? Did you make money out of it? So let me know. And by the way, if you've not seen my video on side hustles for women, please do well to see that video where I mentioned top side hustles you can engage in this year to make extra income for yourself as a woman. Also, sis, if this video gave you some inspiration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with that woman that needs this today. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Catch ya!